home, in this video, I will be showing you how to do this rolling words page. Now, the first thing that you're going to need to do on this page is get out your scissors and cut it in half. So, first thing I do is always the same. Take out your pencil, write down your name. There's lots of white space down here at the bottom if you want to put your name there. Just don't forget to put your name on this, okay? And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it right down the middle like this. Now, in order to do this page, I need a dice that I can roll. So the first thing you're going to do is make a dice. When you cut out this dice, you must cut it very slowly and carefully. Because if you don't cut it correctly, or if you accidentally cut off pieces you shouldn't cut off, or if your lines aren't straight, then it's not going to piece together as well as it's meant to piece together, okay? So you're going to cut along the outside tracks, making sure that you don't cut off any of the pieces that are meant to be a part of the dice. So in addition to having the squares that have numbers on them, there are also little flaps that say glue on them. You don't want to cut off those little flaps. Put the poppets away right now, please. So you don't want to cut here, zing, and cut off those flaps because you need the glue flaps. Those are where you're going to put your glue, imagine that, so that you can piece your dice together. So the first thing you'll do is go slowly and carefully and cut around this outside track. Now, once you've gotten it all cut out, your next step is going to be folding the pieces, and I will show you how to do that, because if you don't fold it correctly, then your dice won't go together correctly either. So we're cutting along the outside edge. Notice I have not cut any of the lines in between. I'm only cutting around the outside, okay? We're not cutting anything apart, and I'm not cutting anything off. I'm just cutting around the outside edge. So now I have this whole piece cut out. It kind of almost looks like a cross, doesn't it? Now, all of the solid lines I want to fold before I start gluing. So I'll fold this solid line, each of my flaps that say glue, I'm going to fold on those lines. You're going to go through and fold all these pieces like this. Fold there. So you're folding all the flaps, folding all the numbers, and then there's also all these parts you got to fold here. Anywhere you see a solid line, the solid line means fold, okay? So I'm folding, folding. Got to fold this line, and it takes a minute, okay? This isn't something that's just going to happen super fast. So you want to take your time so your folds are straight. Got to fold the flaps here. There's 3 flaps. 2, 3. Okay, once you have everything folded, you'll kind of have this like little origami.
Oh, now I get what they did.
Then you're going to take your glue, and I suggest a glue stick for this because if you use the liquid glue, you're going to end up with a big old mess. So what you can do is take some of the scrap that you have left over before you throw it away, and anywhere where you see the word glue, you're going to put glue on it. If it doesn't say the word glue, are you going to put glue on it? No, we're only putting glue where I put the word glue for you, okay?
You made this?
I did make this, yes.
Oh.
Okay, here's some more glue. Here's some more glue. All right, now I have all my glue in place. Now I'm going to fold it together, and as I fold, anywhere where I put glue, you're going to kind of gently pinch it together. So you're hiding the words that say glue, you're hiding underneath the numbers. See how I'm doing that? And then the last one here is my 4. I'll fold it in like this. Okay. Now I have a dice that I can use to play the game. Okay? So now I have my dice made. That's the first thing you have to do. And now we're going to use this. Now you have to be careful with it. If you squeeze it, it'll get crushed and ruined. If you throw it super hard or step on it, it's going to get ruined. It's not going to last forever, but it's going to last long enough to do this activity. So now I'm going to start, and it says rolling words. So I'm going to write my spelling words. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spots on this paper. So you can pick whatever 10 spelling words you want. If you are at home, you have your list right on your calendar. And if you're here in the classroom, I'll make sure up on the board you can see the word list, okay? So I'm going to do the word my, and I'm going to start by rolling my dice. And I got a 6. And it says here, if I roll a 6, I have to write the word backwards. So if I'm writing the word backwards, oh boy, my would look like this. Y. I wrote it backwards. Okay? Now I'm going to roll again. I got a 5 this time. 5 says write it in rainbow letters. Okay, so I'm going to do the word night. And I'll go red. Let's see, do I have an orange? Orange. Yellow. Oh, my yellow doesn't really want to work. Green.
Oh
no, it's coming apart. That's why I said they're not going to last forever. Okay? N-I-G-H, and then blue.
Purple.
Night. Okay? I'm going to roll again, and this time I'm going to do the word myself. I got 2. Write it in crayon. So I'll get out my crayons. I'll pick, I'll do this one. And I'm going to write the word myself. M-Y-S-E-L-F. And then I'll roll again. This time I'm going to write the word fly. I got 3, which says write it in marker. So I will grab a green marker because I love the color green. And I'll write the word fly. So you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'm rolling my dice, and whatever number I land on, then I look here, and it tells me how to write the word.
But like, what if you don't
Okay?
have one?
When you're all done, you can color these kiddos. Okay? So have fun with this, friends. If you want to color the word rolling words, you can do that. Take your time making your dice. Don't get frustrated. It takes concentration, but I know you can do it. See you later.
Bye.